Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering Symfony 3. So now how about if we created database and we generate table and we forget to add a field or we want to add a new field. So it's no problem. We go to our entity, to our table. Let me close this post, and for example here I want to create, for example, another field. I will name it, for example, slug. So I need to go private and I will name it slug, enter, and we need, or so Symfony can generate this slug, it needs more information. And here when the importance of the annotation means. So let's put an annotation. Basically we click two slash and inside the slash create all and here. So as the output, first this slug is a string, so string, and here at orm anti/, column. So basically we need to respect this writing. So for name in the database we can choose the name that we want, but let's name it also slug, and it needs to be in those not single but double quote. The type, we say that it's string, and here for the length let's give it, for example, 100. Let's save this. Here again space. So now let's save, and here, since this is a private, so I need to put it, I need to have like the setter and getter to, so that I can read it and update it beside or outside this post. So where is it? What is this log? Yeah, here it is, this log. So now to tell, for example, Symfony that I add a new field to the table, I need to write this command. So I will let that open so that server can always be running, and open a new one. So cdc example hg docs gcg rental cars. Yeah, so now let's create a new one. PHP bin console doctrine 2 dot generate 2 dot entities, and now we need to specific or to write name of the bundle and name of the entity. So blog bundle 2 dot post. If we hit enter now, we see here that it generates entity in the post, and here backing up from post PHP to post PHP, and with just a symbol at the end, and he generates the new entity. So what he tells us in here, that he keep the old one or the old table without slug, it we just added in here, and he did a new one. So now if we go to this post, we go to the bottom, we see that he add the getter and setter for the slug, and this is like the post PHP or the old one without slug. So now if we change our mind and we want to just delete again this log, we just go to here and delete this symbol and delete that, or delete it in here and again tell Symfony that we did some update. But now let's go and see our database. So if we refresh, we see that this slug button is not in here or not in our table, and to make it add it to the database we need another command. So let's see it. So php bin console doc join 2.generate 2.update false. So now if we hit enter, it will generate and slug will be added in our database. So now if we go and see the database, let's refresh. Let me see. Here I put command wrongly. It's not generate, but it's schema. So schema to update false. That's why he tell me here that you mean here, yeah, schema update. So now database schema updated successfully. One query was executed. So now if we go here, refresh, not request, here click on this, see here we see the slug. It's varchar string with this 100 as the length that we specific right in our post. And if we go and see here in the data, we see that like it's empty because it just created. So I think this is all for this video, and see you next.